Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing? How are you doing, poop? Period, okay? So this video is going to be a DIY crop top using my t-shirt that was sent to me from Upcoming Millionaire. This is how it looks up close. This was sent to me by the brand, so I'm gonna actually link this t-shirt down below because I think it's super cute, especially with the way that I wrapped this crop top. So if this is a look you want to be like your sis, make sure you hit them up and place the order. But before we get to the DIY, if you are new here, my channel is always about fashion, beauty, hair, makeup, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're into, please consider subscribing. You can hit that subscribe button and then go ahead and hit that bell for notifications so that you don't miss any time that I upload. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get right into this video. Guys, so here is the t-shirt that I got. This is how it originally looks. I got it in the size 2X. It's stretchy. It has some stretch to it. So we're going to need a tape measure, some type of marker, and a scissor. That's honestly all you need. And maybe a glue gun or a sewing machine, but we'll talk about it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot underneath where the millionaire is, because that's where I want the wrap to kind of start, a little bit underneath that. And then you're just going to go ahead and create a line down the center. Now, I did get this inspiration from, oh my God, what's her name on Instagram? Fashion Wizard Street. Oh gosh. So a lot of the tips I did kind of help from her. And then I'm just going to fold each side in, and I'm just going to mark it so that they're all even on the sides, and that when it wraps, it's all even. So once I do that, I'm going to turn that on its side and just start cutting up the side on right in front of the seam. And this is so that the wrap doesn't like get bulky and stuff like that. And of course, you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So once that's done, you're going to put it back on its front, and then I'm just going to make sure that's how I want it to look when it wraps. And I'm flipping it over all types of crazy, but I'm trying to lay those two flaps down so that I can cut the back piece of it. You want to make sure everything is laying flat so that it lays well on your body. So once it's laying flat enough, I'm just going to start cutting. Actually, that part I just kind of snipped a little more. And I'm just going to cut across the back. If you're like me and you are a horrible cutter, I would say take your time when cutting. Don't just start cutting, girl. So after cutting off the back pieces, I'm just going to start cutting the seams off the front two panels that are still attached to the shirt. So after cutting off those seams, that's when you start gluing those together. So that's the back piece that was left out. So I'm just going to like fold them together and all that good stuff and make sure they're even. And then, which it's not, because like I said, I'm a horrible cutter, but it doesn't matter because this is the part that you're going to sew. So I'm just going to fix the parts that I do see. But this is the part that's going to be on this top, is going to be like, you're not going to see it, sis. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut straight down, as straight as I can. Because again, I suck at cutting. I don't know why I'm so bad at it. I'm too old to be like, anyway. Okay, so those are the two panels. And then we're just going to grab that shirt, and then I'm just going to make sure it just fits evenly, which it does. And that's how it's supposed to look when it's done sewing. So you can either sew it, or if you don't have a sewing machine, you could grab a glue stick and just glue it together. And that's what I'm showing you. You don't have to sew if you don't have a sewing machine or you don't want to hand sew it. So I went ahead and I sewed it down. I do have a sewing machine. And then I actually just added a little bit. I'm learning. I'm teaching myself how to sew. So I added a little bit of glue just to keep me safe, because I'm just a stickler. But yeah. Now I have the shirt on. I tried it on. Now I did want it to do what it's doing now, which is come a little bit and show my bra, so that when I wrap it, it wraps right around. So I'm wrapping it, and now I'm trying to get it to tie around my weave. Okay, and then I'm just adjusting, making sure it's covering and it's doing what I want it to do, and it's giving me the look I want to do. When I'm gonna fix that part where my bra keeps showing on that one side because it's not supposed to look like that, and it wasn't looking like that on the other side, which means I pulled it too crazy. So I'm just like pulling it and adjusting it and all of that good stuff, and that's how it looks in the back, you guys. I didn't want it to be like a long string. I wanted it to be just simply crop top, just because I don't like the idea of having a long string on my back. I don't know why, just not for this. But this is how the wrap looks up close. I know this quality is better, and that's pretty much it, you guys. It wasn't that hard to do. This was literally a 10-minute craft, and that's because I was sewing or whatever. But make sure that you join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.